Ever wondered why most millionaires hold real estate in their portfolios? It is no secret that real estate has produced more millionaires than any other asset class, with nearly 90% of all millionaires owning real estate. And in today's video, we are going to explore why the wealthy love real estate and why it continues to be their go-to investment. But before we dive into the topic, hello and welcome back to our channel, The Wealth Shack. And if you're new here, please like and subscribe. On this channel, we are helping hardworking people like you to get the most out of your hard-earned money by showing you how to use your money in the most effective way. Here are the reasons why the wealthy love real estate. 1. Cash flow. Cash flow is one of the primary reasons why wealthy people love real estate. They see it as a steady source of income that can generate passive income every month, regardless of the economic climate. Once your passive income exceeds your expenses, this would be seen as financial freedom. People are always going to need a place to live in, so if the property is in a good location and in good condition, cash flow from rental properties will always be reliable. 2. Appreciation. Appreciation is a key factor that drives wealthy individuals to invest in real estate, as it provides a steady and passive source of wealth growth. In the long run, the value of real estate tends to increase, making it a profitable venture. Once the property is purchased, it will continue to appreciate on its own, providing the owner with a consistent source of wealth growth. Real estate is often seen as a hedge against inflation, as the value of property tends to increase as the cost of living goes up. This makes real estate a valuable asset for the wealthy who are looking for ways to protect their wealth and maintain their purchasing power over time. 3. Tax benefits. Real estate investments offer several tax benefits, including deductions for mortgage interest, depreciation, and operating expenses. These tax benefits can be especially attractive to the wealthy, who are often looking for ways to minimize their tax burden. 4. Leverage. Another reason why the wealthy love investing in real estate is the ability to leverage their funds. Instead of using their own money to buy a property, they borrow from a bank, which gives them the ability to acquire a larger property or invest in multiple properties. This is because banks are willing to lend money for real estate investments, as they see it as a low-risk investment. This means that the wealthy can invest more money with a smaller amount of their own money, which helps to maximize their return on investment. An example of leverage is obtaining a mortgage to purchase a piece of property. This could be a residential or investment property. Let's say you want to purchase a rental property which costs $100,000. Typically, lenders such as the bank will require you to put down 25%. So in this case, $25,000. Once you have made the purchase, you now control the $10,000 asset. Here is where it gets interesting. Let's say you invest $25,000 in a stock and it increases 10%. You now have $27,500 in equity. The $25,000 you originally put in plus the 10% increase of $2,500. Let's use that same $25,000 and invest it in real estate. If you invested $25,000 in a rental property that is worth $100,000, and the property increases 10%, an increase of $100,000 is now your equity, as you were the controller of the property. This now brings your equity to $35,000 compared to the $27,500 if you had invested in the stock market. So rather than earning 10% on $25,000 as you would investing in stocks, in real estate you are earning 10% on the $100,000. Both investments required $25,000. That is the power of leverage. Leverage provides the investor with the potential to generate significant returns on their investment without having to put up a large amount of capital up front. 6. Can be passed down to generations. Real estate is a long-term investment that can be passed down from one generation to another. This makes it an attractive option for the wealthy, as it provides them with an opportunity to create a legacy for their family. By owning valuable properties, they can ensure that their assets are protected and can be used to benefit future generations. The ability to pass down assets to family members can provide a sense of security and continuity, and to preserve family wealth over time. 7. Tangible. Real estate is a tangible asset that can be seen and touched, which provides a sense of security for wealthy individuals. Unlike stocks or bonds, real estate is a physical asset that can be evaluated for its value. This makes it easier for the wealthy to understand and feel confident in their investment. Summary. In conclusion, the wealthy love real estate for several reasons, including its potential for appreciation, passive income, tax benefits, control and flexibility, legacy building, hedging against inflation, and diversification. These factors make real estate a valuable and attractive investment option for the wealthy who are looking to grow and protect their wealth over time. That's all we have for the video. If you found this video helpful, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more amazing videos. As always, thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next one.